light the lamp while our choir group sings the invocation song. Chief guest will join us in another 2 minutes.
In absentia, our mentor and guiding force, Sri R.H. Sharda Prasad Sir, Managing Trustee Srivani Education Center Trust and Principal Srivani Education Center, Rajajinagar. A warm welcome in absentia to Srimati Nalini Prasad Madam, Trustee and Treasurer, Srivani Education Center Trust, for her support and encouragement in all our endeavors. I feel privileged and delighted to welcome our chief guest of the day, Ms. Meghna Sajna. A warm welcome, ma'am. An accomplished international rifle shooter. She has kindly accepted our invitation to grace the occasion today in spite of her busy schedule. I request Shobha ma'am and Indumati madam to just do the honors. A warm welcome, ma'am.
ಇವರು ರಾತ್ರಿಗೆ 7:30 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
A warm welcome to all the campus heads for their support. I cordially welcome our patrons, the parents for their presence to encourage our children.
Salute! Salute!
demands alertness and unspoken coordination. The drum beats rolls, the band strikes up, and a high-pitched voice issues command. The synchronized swing of arms and the thudding beat. Right in front, marching, we have Lieutenant Subiksha and Sergeant Anagha of 10 leading the troops, followed by the head boy of our school, Chirag R. Gowda, and head girl, Anushka of 10th. We're extremely glad to introduce our distinctive houses, namely the Agastya Kutira, the Vasishta Kutira, Bharatwaja and Kashyapa Kutira. Along with this, we also have CAIE students, our state board students and scouts and guides students marching along. Now at your side, the gracious march of the Red House, the Agastya Kutira, which symbolizes passion, power, sincerity and strength, followed by the Captain Sanjay, the flag bearer and the Commander Abhay, having their motto, driven to action. Now watch the adorable marching of the Yellow House, the Vasishta Kutira, which symbolizes joy, happiness, optimism, idealism, led by Captain Vibha Ketty, the flag bearer, and followed by Captain Commander Dhruva of Class 9, having the motto, shape your self-control. We next have the Blue House, the Bharatwaja Kutira, which symbolizes wisdom, trust, loyalty and strength, led by Captain Gayatri and Commander Sanjit of Class 10, having the motto, fuel your fire. The next group to follow is the Green House, the Kashyapa Kutira, which symbolizes nature, generosity and fertility, led by Captain Sadanand of Class 10, the flag bearer, and Anagha of Class 10. It has a motto, action sets one free. This is followed by state board students marching ahead confidently with the flag holder and Commander Chandran Kumar leading the troop. We next have a CAIE student led by Aradhya of IPCSE 10 and Pramod, the commander, marching with dignity and synchronization. Last but not the least, we have young scouts and guides marching confidently, being led by Mithun and Commander Janav. One more round of applause for these students. Thank you, children. That was truly mesmerizing. On the list, we next have our UKG students, our tiny tots.